If needed, step-by-step instructions can be found in My Ivy. Type in Testing Center in the search box, click Return, wait for it to load, then look for Proctored Exams for Students, click on that, and there will be step-by-step instructions as how to register for your proctored exams in SmarterProctoring. Alright, so once you get to this step, you will choose a proctor. Click the green button. You can either pick on campus or virtual. So then for this tutorial, I'm just going to pick on campus. Let's schedule it. Since you put in your address earlier, it will populate the closest location. Let's request session. And like I said, I picked in person, so it's no cost to you. I'm going to pick Friday. You should see dates pop up. If it's not available, it will say none available. So then I go back to an available day, and then I click schedule, and then you will click continue. I just want to remind you of one more thing before I finish this video. Proctored Exams for Students. So that is that guide we talked about earlier. You're going to scroll down and find the system check recommended. Click on this blue link right here, SmarterProctoring System Test, just to make sure your computer is good to go before you go ahead and take your test. There are some things you need to make sure you do, as well as if you scroll down, the Chrome extension installation is something else you can do and need to do before you take your exam. But like I said, click on that link and it'll tell you if it's good to go, and it'll tell you what to do if you're not good to go. So do that before you take your test, and you should have a successful testing day and not have any issues.